Let's dive right in. Today we're going deep on something pretty amazing.
Sounds good.
It's all about a brand new AI model called Maya.
Oh, I've heard some buzz about that one.
Yeah, you sent over some, well, pretty cool notes on it
Yeah.
from something called pasted text, I think.
Ah,
So Maya, it's not, just another AI in the crowd.
right.
It's designed to be much more inclusive and culturally aware, which is kind of a big deal.
Definitely.
And just to give everyone a sense of, like, the scale of this thing,
Yeah.
it has 8 billion parameters
Wow.
and handles, wait for it, 8 languages.
8. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, and Indonesian.
Wow.
That's a lot of linguistic firepower.
It really is. And from what I've read, the creators of Maya really focused on careful development. They didn't just want to make it big.
Right.
They wanted to ensure that Maya could actually interact with the world responsibly.
Yeah. Speaking of responsible development, in your pasted text notes, you brought up this idea of Maya using, toxicity-free datasets.
Yes.
What does that mean, like, practically speaking?
So imagine training an AI,
Yeah.
right? And you use just tons of text from the internet.
Uh-huh.
Well, you'd inevitably end up with a lot of, bad stuff.
Yeah.
Biases, hate speech, all sorts of really harmful stereotypes.
Right.
The developers of Maya, they actually took the time to carefully screen the data to try to avoid all of that.
It's like, digitally speaking, they gave Maya a good upbringing.
Exactly. It's designed from the ground up to avoid those negative influences.
Huh.
And this really ties in nicely with Maya's cultural intelligence, which you mentioned in your notes.
Oh, yeah.
And it really is a game changer.
Yeah, this part, honestly blew my mind a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it's not just, basic translation, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
about understanding the nuances of different cultures.
Exactly. A lot of AIs can swap words between languages.
Right.
But they completely miss all the subtle stuff.
Really?
Humor, context,
Yeah.
how people actually use language in their specific culture.
Yeah.
Maya is designed to bridge those gaps.
So, Maya could understand, a joke in French
Potentially, yeah.
or a proverb in Hindi.
They've put a lot of work into that kind of stuff, yeah.
Wow.
Making sure Maya's really capable of handling those subtle differences.
Okay. And there was something else from your notes that I wanted to bring up.
Sure.
Maya is multimodal, right?
Yes.
It can work with both text and images.
It's pretty amazing.
So, what are the real-world implications of that?
Well, okay, imagine you're traveling, in a foreign country.
Yeah.
You see a sign, maybe in Bengali,
Uh-huh.
and it has, a picture next to it.
Okay.
You snap a photo with your phone.
Right.
Maya could translate the text, of course,
Yeah.
but also analyze the image to provide context.
Oh.
So you suddenly understand what's going on at a much deeper level.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Like having a super intelligent tour guide in your pocket.
I know.
So Maya is also, and this is really cool, it's open source.
Yes.
Why is that such a big deal?
Well, open sourcing Maya has some really important implications.
Okay.
First, transparency. Anyone can see how it works,
Oh,
which is super important for building trust.
makes sense.
And second, it fosters collaboration.
Okay.
So researchers all over the world can build on Maya's progress, potentially speeding up the advancement of the whole field.
So it's not just one company or one team
Yeah.
sort of controlling this powerful technology.
Right. It's about sharing the benefits and ensuring the development happens responsibly and collaboratively.
So, thinking about all of this, Maya, it isn't just processing information.
Right.
It's designed to understand and respect different cultures, languages, even perspectives.
Yeah, it really is.
That's pretty huge.
It is. It makes you wonder if AI, like Maya, becomes the norm.
Yeah.
How would that change how we interact with technology?
Right.
Could it even help us connect with each other across cultures in ways we never thought possible?
That's a big question.
So it's a really exciting thought, maybe even a little daunting.
It is. It's a whole world of possibilities opening up.
Yeah.
Well, this has been fantastic. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
My pleasure.
It's been really great exploring Maya with you.
Likewise.
Until next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.